This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Basement ranch with 4 beds and 3 full baths plus basement bonus/rec room. Lawn care included. This is an amazing floor plan. Split bedrooms. Huge master suite is on the main with 2 additional bedrooms and full bath. Full finished basement with family room, storage room large enough for additional bedroom or office. Plus, bedroom 4 with large full bath. Hardwood floors in great room and dining room. Eat-in kitchen has tile, granite counters, pantry and refrigerator will convey. Large deck off kitchen and dining area for entertaining. 2-car garage. Gas heat. 1 garage bay has been converted into a workshop. Wall can be removed if buyer would like to do that after closing. Refrigerator, freezer in basement and portable air conditioner and air cleaner in garage do not convey. Conveniently located to Oak Ridge, Turkey Creek shopping, schools and hospitals. Seller would like to have up to 30 days after closing to vacate home. For more information,